Today we're talking about PLA, and in particular, what's the difference between PLA filament and PLA plus? When diving into the world of 3D printing, one of the essential choices you'll encounter is selecting the right filament. Among the most popular options are PLA, and PLA plus is considered an enhanced PLA, and I'm doing air quotes, enhanced, right? While both are widely used and have their unique benefits, understanding their differences can help you make a better decision based on your specific needs when you're 3D printing. Let's explore the distinctions between PLA and PLA plus filament. First, let's talk about composition and properties. So standard PLA. PLA is a biodegradable thermoplastic derived from renewable resources like cornstarch or sugarcane. It is favored for its ease of use, low printing temperatures, and minimal warping, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Standard PLA typically uses a resin known as 404-3D. PLA Plus, on the other hand, is PLA enhanced with impact modifiers. These modifiers improve the filament's impact resistance, making it less brittle and more durable than standard PLA. According to a lot of 3D print enthusiasts, PLA Plus often uses resins such as 3D 850 or 3D 870. And you probably have no idea what I'm talking about with these resins, right? It's just a different type of resin. These resins offer better performance characteristics, such as increased flexibility and higher impact resistance. The 3D 870 resin in particular is noted for its ability to bend before breaking, providing a significant advantage in functional applications. One of the primary advantages of PLA Plus is its superior impact resistance compared to standard PLA. This characteristic makes PLA Plus less prone to snapping and breaking, especially when dropped or subjected to stress. It will bend more before snapping and has less of a chance of breaking if you drop your newly printed part. Additionally, a lot of enthusiasts suggest that annealed PLA Plus can achieve better impact resistance than ABS, though this claim remains subject to debate among a lot of users. Now let's talk about practical applications. When deciding between PLA and PLA Plus, consider the intended use of your 3D prints. Is it just an aesthetic print? If you're primarily printing decorative items or models that will sit on a shelf, standard PLA is sufficient. Its ease of use and good surface finish make it ideal for non-functional prints. Now for functional parts, or parts that require durability and strength, such as mechanical components or items subjected to more stress, PLA might be a better choice. Its enhanced properties provide the necessary toughness for more demanding applications. Now here's one thing to consider before you go. It's essential to be aware of marketing tactics when purchasing filament. And I may hear some feedback on this, but this is what a lot of the community is saying. Manufacturers may label their products as PLA Plus without significant enhancements to justify the premium price. I even read in some forums that people worked at a company and they used pure PLA resin and just added color, no additives, no modifications, literally just off-the-shelf PLA, and they relabeled it as PLA Plus. So even though I'm talking like it's stronger and it's better for durability, honestly, the differences are negligible. One trick to avoid failing for such marketing ploys, try to look at the filaments and what the base resin used is, such as NatureWorks 3D 850 or 3D 870, and verify the claims by the manufacturer. So yes, PLA Plus should be a little bit stronger than PLA, but honestly, if you're printing prints that are going to be used for durability, I would honestly move on to a different filament because the differences are very negligible. Hit me up in the comments if you guys have anything to say. I'm a normal dude and do reply to all comments. Consider subscribing and watch this real quick. The print has finally finished, and I gotta say, it looks pretty dang good. Let's take it off the plate here. All right. Man, this thing's cool, right, guys? Look at this thing. Let's go test it out. This thing is beastly. All right, which sword do you want? Big one or small one?
Small.
Small one? All right, let's battle. Oh no, it broke. We'll put it back together.
How did that break? You win.